OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition may come out next week, or at least something related. LG is preparing a storm with the V40, not V35 anymore. And since gaming phones are now a thing, ZTE seems to want a piece of the pie. I'm Jaime Rivera, reporting from IFA GPC, and isn't it great when they tell you that the event is happening in your favorite city in the world? This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you are in the market for a new computer, the MacBook Air may not be the latest computer in the market, definitely very old, but it is still one of the best buys right now. You can get it for pretty much $899, almost $300 off, depending on which configuration. There are other variants that are for $1,200. You can learn more about all the deals in the description. Now let's talk about Motorola. Believe it or not, the company is not dead. For those of you that still want a premium mid-ranger or an entry-level smartphone, the company has just unwrapped their new G6 and G6 Plus, in addition to E5 and E5 Play, E5 Plus actually. I don't understand the naming scheme. There are obviously some different benefits depending on which phone you go for. You can learn more about these in our recent coverage and hands-on in the description as well. Now let's talk about ZTE. I've been a little confused over the company's approach with Nubia, if the brand still belongs to ZTE or what, but as it turns out, the company has just announced their new Red Magic smartphone. And the reason why we're covering this is because, well, this is actually a gaming phone. It includes a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 in addition to other specifications. I'm still looking into what makes this really a gaming phone, but we will definitely report back as soon as we learn more. Let's move the spotlight over to LG. We've been waiting to hear what the company is going to do with its V lineup. We're expecting a G7 happening soon. In addition, we heard about the V35, but now Evan Glass is chiming in on a V40. This one is codenamed Storm. What does it mean? What is it going to take by storm? Not exactly sure, but again, we're also going to be covering the rumors as soon as we learn more. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with OnePlus, as we're expecting some product to be announced on April 27th with the whole Avengers Infinity War film. They are teasing that it has to do with the movie, so the question is exactly what we're getting, because we're not exactly sure when we're getting the OnePlus 6. I don't know if it is going to be a OnePlus 6 Infinity War variant or Avengers variant or what the case will be, but let us know in the comments. Do you think that it's a good time to launch a OnePlus 5T Infinity War variant? Or do you think that it's going to be the OnePlus 6? I don't know what to expect. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.